Medical college is not just about attending lectures and doing boring seminars and getting scoldings in the clinical postings. It's much more like attending cultural events, sports events, watching other college students dance, watching other college students sing, and most importantly, attending a lot of academic events. So this is me. I'm Aman Praveen, finally a medical college student from Sri Muthukumaran Medical College, Chennai. And in this vlog, I actually went to PSG Medical College in Coimbatore on 3rd of August. This was the first time where I attended a educational event outside of Chennai. That is, my college is based in Chennai, and this was the first time I traveled outside Chennai to attend a academic event actually, and it was quite interesting. And this being the first time, I was very immature. There wasn't a lot of planning. I didn't go around the whole of Coimbatore, but I definitely learnt a lot of amazing stuff. So the academic events which I attended was obstetrics workshop and surgery workshop. Obstetric workshop was in the morning session, where I learnt a lot of procedures, where how a normal delivery is done. The college had amazing infrastructure. They had so many mannequins and so many stuff to get our hands-on experience. We learned to do suturing, we learned to tie knots, we learned how to deliver using these mannequins. I went and saw the hospital. They had like 4 blocks, one super specialty blocks, which was humongous. The campus was really huge, and in Tamil Nadu, PSG Medical College is actually very famous. The students were super friendly, and this being a new place, I had to ask them where can I eat and all that, and what are all the nice places. Just so you know, I enjoy non-veg meals, so I asked the friends whether there's any good non-veg restaurant, and apparently in Coimbatore this hotel called Hari Bhavanam is really famous. So I went there, I tried the food, a little expensive for my budget, but really delicious food. The people were so kind, and the road itself on the way to college, they had like the school, PSG Higher Secondary School, PSG Engineering College, PSG Art and Science College, PSG Medical College and Hospital. It was just one road filled with the name PSG. The second day, I actually stayed in Coimbatore for totally of 2 days. The thing is, my workshop got over on 3rd of August itself. The next day which I stayed was not for something which was very academic. This is an academic event, and mostly workshops and these case presentations, poster presentations, debates and all that happened. So that was that. But in the end, on the last day, on the night, they said that they have a DJ night. So I thought, okay, I have attended many DJ nights, or many these events in cultural events mainly, because over there only students sing, student dance and all that. So this seemed a little interesting, because academic events usually don't have these DJ night and all. So I thought, okay, let's go and give it a try. Me being the only student from my college who attended, so I had to travel via train and come to Coimbatore, and it was pretty good. So the next day I was totally free. I was roaming around the campus, seeing the college ground, going and attending these WHO meetings which was being conducted on the next day. I just dressed up casually and went on, and then the day went on pretty long. I took some time to record, and then the evening events started. That was, the ramp walk, and really they had a really well planned out ramp walk where students were allocated about topics on like cardiology, where the participants dressed in red and blue and red, and orthopedics, psychiatry, what else, emergency medicine, all of these they dressed it in such detailed and very complicated manner, I would say, because those dresses were not so easy to pull off, and they did a pretty good job. I guess they had to get ready from the starting itself. I got to see so many beautiful people, really talented people who did the ramp walk, and then a lot of people, because I was new there, and the thing is, when they said that this event is going to happen, we get these invitations in our WhatsApp groups. So I was actually one of the first students, I guess. On that day itself, I thought that okay, I'm gonna go this place, so I registered with it. So those people who were, those conducting people, they knew that okay, this is Aman Praveen. This was the first name, sort of the first name which we registered. So they were really kind and they helped me out. Whether if I wanted to go somewhere, they escorted me over there, and they were really open. During the breaks, they would come and talk to me, all those judges and all, and pretty neat. And then after the ramp walk, they opened up a session where students from all around can come and showcase their talents. Where students came in, and of course, ladies, they came and sang. And then there was the flash mob where girls mostly came in and they just started dancing in a really synchronized way. It was really fun because we were all sitting and then suddenly we were asked to move a little aside, and then boom, everybody started to dance. They had some serious moves, and I was pretty impressed by how they were dancing. It just set the vibe in a totally different way, because after all this, conducting workshops, conducting events, and all this academic stress and all, this was the best way to loosen up. And they really set an amazing tone where students were really enjoying, boys were really enjoying, and then the DJ night started. The DJ wasn't actually, I've attended some DJ nights in medical colleges, and to be honest, the music selection was okay, but then the vibe. So many colleges from mostly from around Coimbatore came in. The government medical college, PSG students, ESI medical college, some from Pondicherry, they all came, and it was a pretty memorable time. And as always, thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.